We're going to take a look at the problem that we just did, but do it a different way. This time we're going to use the if-else from Python. Now the if-else says if it's true, I'm going to do what's indented after the if. If it's false, I'm going to do what's indented after the else. So let's take a look at this. First thing is we're going to get a number, and we're going to call it your number this time. And again, we're going to do it as a float because there's a possibility that somebody could enter a number with a decimal point. And we're going to ask for them to please enter a number. And you should always put a space after your prompt inside where you are doing the prompt so that things look nice when they are being displayed. If you do not do that, Python's going to push the user input directly up against the colon, which doesn't look that nice. With that space there will be displayed a space so that the user's input is not tagged directly on. Now that we have this number, we're going to say if your number is greater than or equal to 0, we're going to then, with the colon, say print with an F string your number is positive. If it is negative, we're going to say else print F string your number is not positive. Let's give this a shot. On Windows or Linux, you can do F5. On a Mac, you do function F5, or in any machine you're on, we can say run and then run module. Let's enter a value, say for example 6. When I hit the 6, it came back saying 6 is positive. So let's take a look at what happened. We put in the value. The if asked, was I greater than or equal to 0? In this case, it's true. So it did the print statement and skipped everything else. When we run it again, I'm going to enter in -9, and let's take a look at what happened. We came in, gave it -9. The question was asked, is -9 greater than or equal to 0? That is false. So the if statement skips down to the else and does what follows the else that is indented. And in this case, that's how we got -9 is not positive.